whispers. Labor, labor, labor in vain. Searching, searching, searching in vain. I am a messenger. Messenger from the ancestors. Messenger of the gods. A tale of two cities. Nation in crisis. Where do we go from here? War has been declared. It's war against the people. War against the ordinary masses. What have we done wrong? I am that messenger through ripples of blood that said that MKO Abiola would die in detention. The gods told me then that his blood will be sacrificed for the greatness of the nation, and it came to pass. I've had the opportunity to share this with the actors involved in the annulment of June 12th, 1993 election. Then, Nigeria spoke in one voice. It didn't matter if you were a Muslim or a Christian. We spoke in one voice and chose a leader. That dream was aborted. What are we seeing today? Abiola will be crying in his grave. Pa Awolowo will be crying in his grave. Akintola will be crying in his grave. All the northern elders will be crying in their grave. Tafawa Belawa, Nnamdi Azikiwe, name them. This is not the Nigeria they hoped for. A country that is killing her own citizens. October, Tuesday, 20th will be remembered in the history of this nation. Why are we killing our people? Why are we involved in shedding innocent blood? Let it be told that this generation has failed the future generation. Nothing to offer, nothing but blood. Through the Zakibiam, Odi massacre, the Southeast massacre where 2 million people were killed. The blood is haunting us today. The problem the country is facing, the ancestors say, is not that of tribe. It doesn't matter whether you are from the south, the north, the east, or the south. The problem is that the elites have declared war against the masses. For anybody who is saying north, south, east, or west, that person has lost it. I smell blood. The blood I smelled in 1993 is once again around the corner. In the far east, in the far north, in the far west, I smell blood. The people will rise. I see the khaki rising again. But we need to tell them it's no longer popular. Is it not the same khaki that is murdering the people, killing the masses? The Lekki massacre, the Odi massacre, the Zakibiam massacre. They will be surprised. But let it be told that Nigeria can be great if this generation will take a bow. If this generation will take a bow, knowing that they have failed, and apologize to the future generation. Let it not be that what will be remembered, even in our grave, will be generation that have murdered the future of the country. Generation that do not know their left from their right, yet they are not willing to give up. In the north, there is Boko Haram. In the southeast, it is IPOB. In the west, it is OPC, Oduduwa Republic. The cry is rising. We need to talk. The ancestors are saying we need to talk before it is too late. So that it will not be labor, labor, labor in vain. Searching, searching, searching in vain. We need to talk. We need to talk. We need to talk. We need to talk.